step towards MSMEs is post-COVID, trade fairs, exhibitions are going to be very difficult. So we shall ensure that e-market linkage is provided across the board for all these MSMEs so that they're able to find their market easily in the absence of being able to participate in trade fairs which cannot be held in this environment. Also, very importantly, Government of India and also CPSEs, where there are receivables by MSMEs, we now announce that within the next 45 days, all their receivables will be cleared. The CPSEs and Government of India will honor every MSME receivable within the next 45 days.
इसी तरह से एक बार फिर कुटीर, सूक्ष्म, लघु, मध्यम उद्योग के लिए ये जो चुनौतियां कोविड-19 के समय शुरू हुई कि घरों तक सीमित होना पड़ा और आप कहीं जाकर सामान बेचने में दुविधा आती थी, तो ई मार्केट लिंकेज करने की बात की, क्योंकि ई कॉमर्स का आजकल ज़माना भी आया है, वो भी होगा। और इसके अलावा व्यापार मेलों में कैसे वो इन्वॉल्व हो सके, उनका शामिल होना हो, प्रदर्शनियों में उनकी पार्टिसिपेशन हो सके, इसके लिए कदम उठाए जाएंगे। और जो हमारे सार्वजनिक केंद्र उपक्रम है, उसमें जो अगर उनके कोई पेंडिंग पेमेंट्स है, सरकारी है या PSUs में है, उनको भी अगले 45 दिनों में बल देकर वापस उनकी पेमेंट हो, ऐसा प्रयास किया जाएगा ताकि जल्द से जल्द उनकी पेमेंट हो, ताकि उनको राहत मिल सके।
I now move to talking about EPF. You were aware during the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package, some measures were extended for the EPF. In that, we had said units which have 100 workers, 90% of whom are earning less than 15,000 rupees, will be able to draw from their EPF from the funds because they needed money in their hands. We have now, and for the 3 months, the payment of EPF also was given relaxation. What I would now like to say before you is liquidity relief is being given for all EPF establishments. In this, 12% which is paid by the employer and 12% by the employee contribution. We extend the support which Government of India gave for another 3 months. We had given it for March, April, and May up to May 2020. The payments were made into their eligible accounts by Government of India for March, April, and May. Nearly 3.6 lakh establishments benefited from this. Liquidity relief of 2,500 crores to 72.22 lakh employees is now being proposed to be provided by extending this contribution for the next 3 months also. June, July, and August 2020, the EPF contribution will be paid by Government of India, and this shall provide 2,500 crore liquidity support. So what was given earlier for March, April, and May is now being extended for another 3 months, which will be June, July, and August, and therefore we shall be infusing 2,500 crore liquidity, and 72.22 lakh employees will benefit from it.